Big development in the murder case involving a 20-year-old Morgan State University student. Michael White is accused of stabbing and killing a well-known real estate developer in Philadelphia. Now, prosecutors have reduced the charges that White was facing. WMAR2 News' Megan Knight is live in the newsroom with this story. So, Megan, what made the prosecutors decide to downgrade these charges?
And Christian, Philadelphia District Attorney Larry Krasner says video of the fight between Michael White and Sean Skellinger is what led his office to decide to reduce those charges from first-degree murder to third-degree murder and voluntary manslaughter. That video has not been made public. White is accused of stabbing Skellinger back in July during a fight near Rittenhouse Square in Philly. White was delivering food on his bike right before that stabbing. He turned himself into police days later. White lives in Philadelphia. He goes to school at Morgan State. And Krasner says his office could reduce the charges even more over the coming weeks and months.
That it will proceed either on third degree and voluntary or just on voluntary if we determine based on all of the evidence available at that time.
Skellinger's mom, Linda, sent out a statement to our ABC affiliate in Philadelphia late last night about these downgraded charges. She said in part, quote, "I was manipulated by Larry Krasner. He was intellectually dishonest. He overruled his own prosecutors." The DA's office responding to that, saying that he had been in touch with the Skellinger family before they announced a change in the charges, and that what Ms. Skellinger said in her statement is very different than what she had said in their meetings. Now, the reduced charges mean that White could be released on bail and placed under house arrest.